Okay, good morning, guys. Yeah, good morning. Today is Saturday. What is today's date itself? Let me check today's date. Today is 21st February 2026. The time I'm making this video. Okay, quick one. The GBP JPY trade took me out. Yeah, it took me out, and that I showed you guys BTC setup, which I later took that one, and yeah, it is. The trade is still in progress, but I went off based on is heading to weekend. Like, yeah, we don't hold weekend trade, so I had to exit the trade. So one thing that I've learned, throughout this week, because I'm in drawdown of I think $200 in the account, so I didn't make any profit. I ended the week with a loss. So, and I've learned a lot. Number one thing I've learned is that I I tend to keep like a high risk reward ratio. Imagine me entering a trade and I'm seeing 1:4, 1:5. I will still keep on holding it because I want it to hit my target. Then what now happen? Maybe I'll just leave the trade and before you know it will now reverse and take me out. So that was what actually happened. And there was one video I watched about Dax and Happy Forex when Happy Forex was asking him how he trades. So he said something that made me have to pay attention. He said that he does 1:2. He does 1:2. That is like a personal thing for him. That's what he does. But I was like, wow, like this guy will increase his risks, like maybe risking like 30,000, 10,000, 40,000, just to get times two of what he risks. And that is very, very cool because looking at some of the trade that I have taken so far, I do 1:3, 1:4. But let's just say my profit target, where I was expecting price to reach, is like 1:6 or something. And I'll still leave it for it to reverse and come and take me out. And I'll still end up in a loss. Why not? Since the ATR profit account is 10K, let me just risk 1%, $100, target 2%, 1:2 risk reward, like $300, and I'm out. Like, I'll be out in a short while, and I'll still have a chance to look for another position. Like, in fact, that's just the best thing to do. There's no need of looking for 1:10, 1:2. You risk big, just aim for 1:2 and out of the trade. And you can still find another opportunity. Like, many opportunity comes like using my strategy. So I was like, wow, I really fucked up. So that's the plan. That's the plan for next week by the grace of God. You can plan for your tomorrow, but you don't know what your tomorrow holds for you. So that's the plan next week. Plan number one. 1:2 risk reward. High probability trade, like following my setup. If I don't see it, you're not entering. You understand? And we trade only one pair until we hit stop loss.